Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the photo ready and the widget system enabled. Start now. Long press your home screen to enter edit mode. Do not delay. Tap the plus icon and select the native Photos widget or the third-party widget app like Widgetsmith. If you pick Photos, it will show featured images from an album. Make sure your desired photo is in a dedicated album. Once added, place the widget where you want it and choose the proper size. This sets up the canvas for the next steps. Now focus on the core change, selecting a single image. With Widgetsmith, open the app, add a photo widget, pick the image from your album, save, and then add that Widgetsmith widget to home screen. Once done, make sure to set the correct widget size. If you prefer shortcuts, create a shortcut that uses the Show Image or Quick Look action, point it to your photo, then add the shortcut as a widget. Make sure permissions for photos are granted and verify the preview. Finish by positioning the widget precisely and confirming the chosen image appears. Make sure the widget app has photos permission and that any album referenced contains only approved images to avoid random swaps. If the image doesn't update, first force close the widget app, then reboot the phone and re-add the widget. This resolves most cache or permission glitches. If problems persist, remove the image from the album and re-import it, then reassign the widget. This resets indexing and usually fixes display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.